Hello everyone. Welcome to Lify Life, Dandruff, why it occurs and how to fight it. This is a disease that requires a serious approach to treatment, because it can signal other health problems. Have you ever seen white snow on your shoulders? According to scientific research, every second person has experienced dandruff at least once in their life. It comes into our lives, as a rule, unexpectedly, delivering a lot of unpleasant troubles. What it is, why it occurs and how to deal with it, said a cosmetologist, dermatovenerologist. What is dandruff? In dermatology, dandruff refers to desquamative dermatosis. Desquamation means scaly exfoliation of dead scales. That is, dandruff is keratinized skin cells, which, as they should, exfoliate. But the problem is that this process happens too quickly, from 15-20 to 7 days. Normally, the renewal period of the stratum corneum lasts about 28 days. Thanks to this acceleration, white snow or flakes appear on the shoulders, which are very difficult to get rid of. In some sources, dandruff is called seborrhea, but this is fundamentally wrong. Why? Seborrhea is a violation of the function of the sebaceous glands, characterized by increased production of sebum, and a change in its quality. There are 3 forms of seborrhea: oily, dry and mixed. Dandruff may be the first symptom of seborrhea, but it can also appear on its own. In turn, seborrhea is a factor that contributes to the appearance of dandruff. Simply put, seborrhea and dandruff are closely related, but they are 2 different dermatological problems. Causes of dandruff. A yeast fungus called Malassezia lives on our scalp. Dandruff is caused by Malassezia globosa. It feeds on sebum and lives, as a rule, in places where the sebaceous glands are concentrated. In the process of eating fat, Malassezia releases fatty acids, among which is oleic acid. It then causes skin irritation, starting the process of accelerated cell renewal. But this happens under the condition of active reproduction of Malassezia. Symptomatically, this manifests itself in the form of itching of the scalp, dryness and tightness of the stratum corneum, the appearance of local foci of inflammation. What triggers the process of reproduction of fungi and the formation of dandruff? My main reasons are: hormonal imbalance, seborrhea, disruption of the digestive system and the immune system, severe stress, development of chronic infections, genetic factor, sensitivity to oleic acid, improper care of the scalp, using the hot mode of the hair dryer, improperly selected shampoo, balm, taking certain medications, such as antibiotics, deficiency of vitamins A, B, C, unbalanced diet, abuse of alcoholic beverages, soda, fast food. How to fight dandruff. In order to quickly and effectively eliminate dandruff, it is necessary to establish the cause of its development. You need to understand what it signals about the body's reaction to stress, the formation of seborrhea, disorders of the gastrointestinal tract. Therefore, the most effective way is to immediately seek help from a dermatologist. What to do if this is not possible? First, you need to purchase a shampoo according to the type of scalp, designed to treat dandruff. It is dry and oily. Dry dandruff crumbles very easily, oily dandruff accumulates on the stratum corneum. But it is quite difficult for an ordinary person to determine how they differ. Anti-dandruff shampoo should contain antifungal, keratolic and cytostatic components. Chief among them are pyroxytonolamine, zinc pyridine, sulfur, ichthiol, salicylic acid, clombazole, selenium sulfide, cyclopirox, ketoconazole. It may also contain citric acid, niacinamide, vitamin A, B5, C, E, amino acids, mint extract, menthol, eucalyptus, burdock, rosemary, shelf, oak moss, aloe vera, wormwood. An anti-dandruff shampoo should do several things. Effectively cleanse and soothe the stratum corneum, destroying the fungus. Eliminate hardened accumulations of dandruff flakes. Help slow down the process of accelerated cell division. With severe itching and very active peeling, it is necessary to use another tonic that works on the surface of the skin for about a day. It is not washed off. You can buy it at a pharmacy. It is often a complex addition to shampoo. These remedies can eliminate dandruff completely if it is seasonal. For example, in winter, a greenhouse effect is created under the hat, which contributes to the reproduction of fungi. But if we are talking about dandruff that arose against the background of hormonal imbalance or disruption of the gastrointestinal tract, shampoo with tonic will not be enough. The cause must be eliminated from the inside, and not just from the outside. Secondly, it is necessary to regularly exfoliate the scalp using peeling or scrub. This procedure will help get rid of excess sebum and hardened keratinized scales. Mixing with sebum, they remain on the surface of the skin. It is important that the peel contains glycolic, salicylic, phosphoric, and fruit acids. Acid can be one or more at the same time. Thirdly, it is necessary to wash your hair as it gets dirty with slightly warm water and stop using a hair dryer. If this is not possible, use the cold setting of the hair dryer. Hot air activates the sebaceous glands. This leads to the fact that the keratinized scales are mixed with sebum, and are gradually deposited on the stratum corneum. As a result, skin breathing becomes difficult and itching appears. Also pay attention to what kind of comb you use. It should be soft and always clean. A comb with sharp and hard teeth can injure the epidermis. Fourth, you need to revise your diet. It is worth introducing fresh vegetables, fruits, berries, herbs, fish, seafood, nuts into it. Carbonated and alcoholic drinks, packaged juices, fast food, chips, pizza, ice cream, chocolate, pastries, cakes will have to be excluded. They act as irritants to the hair follicles, stimulating the sebaceous glands. Dandruff is a disease that requires a serious approach to treatment. Advertising assures us that everything is very simple. But actually it is not. Dandruff can be a symptom of seborrhea, psoriasis, the development of diseases of internal organs, the immune system. As a rule, people perceive any kind of peeling as dandruff, and begin to self-medicate. Meanwhile, another disease is quietly developing itself. Therefore, I advise you not to experiment with dandruff, but to treat it seriously and responsibly. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for our new content. Click the bell sign to stay in contact with updates from us. Hope seeing you back on Lify Life.